Welcome, folks, to the opening of the Advent Calendar 2019. Here's a few things about this little project before the opening.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Now, it's very important to clean up after yourself. You don't want your scrap wood dirty. You don't want it full of paint. After all, when you throw it in the garbage, you want it to be nice and clean. There we go. Here's the plan. That'll work. Little shutters with a little whoop. These knobs here are little finials, 1/4 thread left over from my, they go on top of larger trophies, and I got a whole stack of these things. They're kind of useless because they're already tarnishing. What better use than window shutter knobs? It's a beautiful thing. And now it's time to assemble the Advent calendar. Okay, Advent calendar is assembled. And now the opening. By the way, it's the 23rd today. I'm a little bit late. I apologize. I'm not late. I am, well, late to open the Advent calendar, not late for the challenge. But I have to play catch up now, so here we go. Day 1. Well, doesn't that give everybody a holly jolly Christmas? Day 2. Oh, I see now. It's a holly jolly Christmas from the unsueras, from our family to yours. And here's day 3. Ooh. Here's day 4. Ooh. Yeah, it sucks to be starring in your own production. Here's day 5. I don't know what the heck that is, but I'm on fire. So I'm just gonna keep going. Day 6. Ooh. Ow. That's point C. Era. Oh, that was so bad it made me nauseous. Day 7. Well, that door rings a bell. Day 8. What is that? Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Day 9. Well, in honor of the Gatton Challenge, the coffee cup. Oh, that's the wrong show. Anyway, moving on. Day 10. That looks like a pair of beautiful glass ornaments. Day 11. Huh. I'm sorry, folks. I live in Miami. I have absolutely no clue what that is. Pretty flaky design, too, if you ask me. Day 12. Oh, I see. These flags are for the grand opening. Day 13. You want to build a snowman? I can go for a frosty one about now. Day 14. You do realize that astronauts do not get athlete's foot. They get mistletoe. Day 15. That is a mammoth woolly cap. Day 16. Shouldn't that be on top? Day 17. It's wonderful being with you here in the present. Day 18. No, don't worry. I'm Pine. Number 19. For those of you that are not heavy tea drinkers, tea light. Number 20. Ooh, a candy cane. Maybe 21 is Candy Able. Oh, but go ahead and give me a hand for that joke. Birdhouse. They haven't done the birdhouse challenge in a long time. I'll just leave that one hanging. Number 23. Well, hats off to everyone. Number 24. I don't know how I'm going to scarf that one down. And finally, number 25. The gift of love, the gift of peace, the gift of happiness. May all these gifts be yours this Christmas season. Thank you for watching.